Honorable President, Prime Minister, Ministers, diplomats, Mayor of Riga, ladies and gentlemen, the upcoming Sunday will be a fast day according to the Jewish tradition, as will mark the beginning of the 3 weeks of mourning to commemorate the destruction of the Holy Temple in Jerusalem close to 2003 years ago. It is appropriate time to identify with all those during our long, difficult history who perished because they are a part of the Jewish nation. There is a famous Jewish prayer and famous song, David Melech Israel Chai V'Kayam. David, the king of Israel, lives and enduring. King David had a very hard life, full with trials and tribulations. His enemies endlessly tried to destroy him, but he survived and was victorious. David, king of Israel, is a symbol of the Jewish nation. After the difficulties and the destructions and tragedies that happened to the Jewish nation during the last century, the Jewish nation is living and lasting. When we see here in Latvia proud Jews celebrating their customs and holidays, we know that our nation is alive. When we see children, college students, adults studying Torah and integrating the knowledge into their lives, we see that our nation and our tradition is here forever. This is the ultimate victory and the true answer to the Holocaust, a vibrant and blossoming Judaism. In this spirit, I would like to suggest that each of us today will take upon ourselves a good resolution, a mitzvah, a good deed that will be dedicated to the memory of the victims. The ultimate victory against the murders is by building a world of justice, of kindness, a world of peace. Through this, we'll merit to the coming of Mashiach and the ultimate redemption when we are finally reunited with our beloved ones, may it be speedily in our days. Teure Brüder, teure Eden, wenn wir sagen, wegen der Holocaust, Gedenk, Zocher, meint es nicht nur Gedenken. Gedenken meint etwas tun vor dem. Speziell an mir, Sonntag geben wir die 3 Wochen verbunden mit der Churban Beis Hamikdash, ist eine Pflicht auf jeder eine von einem,